What exactly is data analysis? Do you know you already do data analysis every day without realizing it? Okay, let's use the raw data where you spend money on food, rent, transport, utilities, entertainment, miscellaneous. So on food, let's assume you spend 50,000 naira on food, on rent, 100,000 naira on rent, transport, 40,000 naira, utilities, 10,000 naira, entertainment, 10,000 naira, miscellaneous, 10,000. So let's check the charts to know the amount you spent much on. And that is rent. So then followed by the food, transport, miscellaneous, and you have it and entertainment, same amount. So that is analysis in action, turning numbers into insights. So let me now ask you this question. What's one thing you wish to spend less this month? Comments below. Then tag your friend who always says, I don't know where my money goes every month. Still your girl. Bye.